Okay guys, in the previous lesson we solved 10 problems about 4 and do a lot of exercises. Now let's continue our progress. After 4 we are going to learn functions, but before that let's learn about Python tuples. I don't really use them, but if you want you can go and learn them. I don't really use them. Let's go learn about Python sets. Python sets are not useful at all, but dictionaries that we are going to learn today about are very useful. We can create a dictionary like this. This format is a form of dictionary. Dictionaries are used to store data values in k-values pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. It's very important. It's a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Let's see what it means. Okay, we create our 4 exercise. Now let's create a new notebook and wait a little for it to be created. Okay, the notebook has been created. We call it beginner course. Okay, it's good. And now we are going to learn about what it means. That means it's in order. Okay, we have this dictionary. You can create a dictionary like this, or you can create just say, for example, LO is equal to 1, 2, 3. Is it a dictionary or not? Let's find out. We create a dictionary here and call it distinct, but we can get type of distinct and it's giving us dictionary. And what about type of LO? Type LO. It's a set because the dictionary needs to have a K. But what happened if we put something like this? It's giving us error. Why? Let me just explain more for you. The k-value system is something like this. For example, you want to create a login list of the people's, let's say login list of people's names and usernames, names and password. For creating that, each, for example, we have name Alex and the password 2002. Okay, but we have them in a separated list and we don't like them. For example, we want to access password. What we are going to do, we are going to, for example, create 2 lists in orders and do that. We can't also create 2 lists in order to do that. For example, we can say create a list of password and a list of names in Python in order. It can create something like this. Let's wait a little creating that. It created, we have a list of names and passwords. For example, we can print names and have the names and password. But it's a little tricky. Why? For example, let's see, we want to delete Charlie. Don't forget to delete his password too. These things makes things hard for us. Because of that, we create a dictionary and we put name is equal to Alex and password is equal to password. word is equal to, for example, 2002, and then we just separate them and then run it, and we have our dictionary. This is the important thing why we need dictionary. We need because sometimes, for example, a person has her name, password, age, weight, height. It has everything, but we want to have a list of persons that have a list of data about each others. It's a better way to say that we want to create a list in list. For example, we can have a list like this, and in the list we have another list, Alex 2002, and okay, we have a list, and we can create another item like this too. But it's not, I say it's not good, and I don't really like it. For example, if we want to call Alex, we must call list 0, and another 0, I think, here. It's some kind of hard for us to understand. The dictionary in some ways are better, but if you can work with these things, you are a great programmer also. But this thing is more understandable for the one who is reading your code. Oh, two kind of things. Okay, I think it's enough. We learn about what is the usage of the dictionary a little, and we are going to learn about it more and what it have. Okay, until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you have any question in the comments.